Greetings, folks. It's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I want to explain and show you what a wood furnace is. So, anything that is going to be classified as a wood furnace when you're asking for it is going to be a forced air unit, and it does require electricity to operate, okay? So it's going to have a plenum, which is what this huge metal box here is. This is here featured is going to be the Drolet Heat Commander EPA wood furnace. So from the plenum, typically you would have ductwork attached to these areas, which I don't have ductwork attached to this as I'm doing my first burn right now. However, this is going to send the heat into other areas of your room, generally, or your home, I should say, and you will put a grill into the wall in which the forced air blows out of the wall, and that is how you get the heat transfer from the wood furnace. Now, with this particular model and it having a glass door, you are going to get more radiant heat off the front of the unit in the actual room that the stove is located in. Now, that'll vary depending on furnace. Some furnaces have really thick insulation panels and insulated doors so that they don't heat up the room so much, because sometimes people want them in like a closed utility room. So this one is kind of geared for more of like an open area or a basement, somewhere where you would actually want the stove visible and you can enjoy the fire. So there are various types of forced air furnaces. There's also multi-fuel furnaces available as well. This particular model here is going to be just a wood-only furnace. We do have other brands such as the Glenwood, which can be wood, coal, and oil, and also the DS products, which are going to be combination wood-coal units. So depending on, we also have purely coal units, which will be like fully stoker automated, or also manual load units as well. So we have a variety of forced air furnaces available depending on what your heating needs may be. I just wanted to produce this video to clarify, because sometimes we have people calling boilers furnaces and interchanging, or also perhaps talking about a freestanding stove and calling it a furnace. So I do want to clarify, we do have one product on our website that is labeled as a furnace, which is going to be the Energy Max. The Energy Max does not actually require any electricity. It's going to be a standalone unit with the airspace on it that creates convection air. So air will just naturally rise up off the unit. You will put like a grate or a grill in the ceiling up above the stove. That allows immediate heat transfer without any type of blower system or electricity. So if you're living off grid, that might be a product for you. It's basically just like a massive wood stove that does an excellent job at creating convection heat. So here, like how this blower system just kicked on, as your thermostat is calling for more heat, boom, the blower automatically kicks on and it pushes it throughout the ductwork. So this is a forced air wood furnace. This is, again, EPA approved and tax credit qualified. If you guys like these videos, if you find them helpful, please don't forget, give me a thumbs up. The more likes, the more subscribers I get, the more videos I will continue to produce for you guys. Don't forget, click that subscribe button right there. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.